The first video series is the Sustainable Career Pathway video series. The beauty of this is that we are getting professionals who have been working within different industries in the blue economy to explain their experience and to tell you what it was like when they were your age and how they got to the point that they're at.
I would say for young students to pursue a career in the offshore wind industry and the energy industry as a whole is to first understand that this is something that is needed. Currently, as I said previously, we're experiencing what we are due to climate change and global warming, and there's many ways that young engineers or young students can help tackle these big problems. So I think for kids, the main thing I would say is to keep an open mind and have an education sort of geared so that you can understand all the different aspects that you can get into. So be curious about the problem that we have at hand and be curious about different ways in which they can tackle it. It's not just one solution will get us the answer. So I would say to stay curious, to ask around, to use the resources that are available. I really encourage everyone to have a deeper look, to understand the places where they think, based on their interests, where they could line it up and align with what is needed to build these offshore fields, and really just go for it. Don't hesitate, and if they can find a mentor that they think mirrors a career that they may want to follow, do not be afraid, because most people are more than willing to teach and reach out and help out. I've relied on my mentors to kind of show me the way and guide me in the process, and I can only hope that I can do that for the next generation coming up.